Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot or dirt, why we only live to serve. Try the grace of it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you be our guest. We our guest, be our guest. Pie and pudding en flambé, we'll prepare and serve with flair. Culinary cabaret, you're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining, while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks. Come on and lift your glass, you've won your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Life is so unnerving for a servant who's not serving. He's not old without a soul to wait upon. Ah, those good old days when we were useful. Suddenly, those good old days are gone. 10 years we've been rusting, needing so much more than dusting, needing exercise, a chance to use our skills. Most days we just lay around the castle. Flabby, fat and lazy, you walk tea and oops a daisy. Course by course, one by one, till you shout, enough, I'm done. Then we'll sing you off to sleep as you digest. Tonight you'll pop your feet, but for now let's see to be our guest. Be our guest, be our guest. Please be our guest.